The Apple Trap. Every single year, Apple launches a new iPhone, usually with only minor improvements, a higher price tag, and the same tight restrictions we've come to expect. But what's really frustrating for many users are the software updates that seem to slow down older phones, drain batteries faster, and create that subtle pressure to upgrade even when your current device still works just fine. It's a cycle that feels more like a trap than innovation. But what if you could finally break free from it? Enter the Tesla PiPhone 2025, a bold new contender in the smartphone arena with a shockingly low starting price of $237. Unlike Apple's approach, Tesla aims to provide a simple yet powerful device, built to last, with no planned obsolescence, no gimmicks, and full user control. It promises AI-driven speed, Starlink connectivity, and extreme durability, all wrapped in a minimal, efficient design. According to Elon Musk, Tesla is better positioned than any other company to introduce a phone that's neither iPhone nor Android, but something entirely new. So, are you ready to escape the Apple trap? Before we dive into what makes this phone revolutionary, help us grow by subscribing to our channel. Tap the bell icon to stay updated on future Tesla news, and keep watching to discover why the Tesla PiPhone might be the phone of the future. 1. Redefining durability and longevity. The Tesla PiPhone isn't just another sleek gadget, it's built to endure. It's rumored to feature an aerospace-grade titanium alloy frame, the same material used in SpaceX rockets. This metal is not only 3 to 4 times stronger than aluminum, which is used in most iPhones, but also 30% lighter than stainless steel, offering strength without bulk. While current iPhones can crack from drops of just 3 meters, the PiPhone is expected to survive impacts from up to 5 meters onto concrete. But it's not just about toughness. Water and dust resistance are taken to a new level with IP69 certification, compared to Apple's IP68. This means the Tesla PiPhone can withstand high-pressure water jets and deeper submersion, making it a reliable companion in all environments. The display is equally impressive. Tesla plans to use a reinforced nano-shield glass, which is 30% more shatter-resistant than Apple's ceramic shield and 5 times more scratch-resistant than Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Speculation also suggests the inclusion of self-healing technology similar to the paint used on luxury cars, which would allow small screen scratches to fade over time. Unlike iPhones, which often struggle in extreme temperatures, the PiPhone is rumored to perform between -40 degrees Fahrenheit and 160 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for users in diverse or harsh climates. In short, this device is not only built for daily wear and tear, it's built to outlast expectations. 2. A battery that actually lasts. Battery life has always been a sore spot for iPhone users. The Tesla PiPhone may completely flip the script with a 7,000 mAh battery, significantly larger than the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 4,685 mAh. This could offer up to 72 hours of normal use, more than 3 times what most iPhones provide. In specific use cases, the PiPhone could deliver 48 hours of video streaming and 30 hours of intense gaming, compared to iPhones which often max out at 15 and 10 hours, respectively. That's a massive difference. Charging also gets a boost, with Tesla potentially using solid-state battery tech derived from its electric vehicles. This could allow full charging from 0 to 100% in just 15 minutes, which would be groundbreaking compared to Apple's fast chargers that still take nearly an hour. And then there's the solar charging capability, a true game-changer. Tesla's cutting-edge solar panel technology could be embedded directly into the phone's body, allowing users to fully charge the device with just 3 hours of direct sunlight. Compared to other solar-powered phones that need 30-plus hours, this is a leap forward. For outdoor lovers, travelers, or anyone who experiences frequent power outages, this means unmatched freedom and reliability. 3. Simpler, smarter user experience. One of the most compelling advantages of the Tesla PiPhone is how user-friendly it's designed to be. Rather than overload users with bloated software, background tasks, and heavy animations, Tesla plans to use a lightweight Linux-based Tesla OS. It prioritizes speed, simplicity, and long-term usability. Unlike iPhones, which tend to slow down due to forced updates and increasing software demands, the Tesla Pi phone is optimized to stay fast even after years of use. Its minimalist interface avoids unnecessary complexity, helping users quickly find what they need without digging through endless menus. Tesla also does away with app restrictions. While Apple locks users into its App Store and takes a hefty cut from developers, the Pi phone allows installations from any source, giving users total control over what they download. This opens the door to apps that Apple often bans, as well as new innovations that don't rely on a single marketplace. Another key win is cross-device compatibility. Apple makes file sharing outside its ecosystem frustrating, but Tesla's device works seamlessly with Windows, Android, Linux, and Tesla vehicles. No more AirDrop limitations. No more file transfer struggles. Just smooth, universal connectivity. If you're tired of being locked into one company's system, the Tesla Pi phone's open approach might be exactly what you've been waiting for. For cutting-edge tech without the hassle. Traditional smartphones still rely on outdated network systems and centralized data collection. Tesla is changing that. One of the Pi phone's most revolutionary features is direct Starlink satellite connectivity. That means you won't need a SIM card or be tied to any local carrier, just fast, stable internet anywhere in the world. In early tests, Starlink delivers download speeds up to 200 megabits per second, even in remote areas. Travelers, off-grid explorers, and digital nomads can now stay connected without worrying about dropped signals or unreliable coverage. Photography also gets a major upgrade with AI-powered camera optimization. The Pi phone is expected to feature a 50MP primary camera with real-time adjustments for lighting, focus, and enhancements. This makes every photo look professionally edited without the need to manually tweak anything. Over 70% of smartphone users rely on automatic camera settings, and Tesla's advanced AI delivers outstanding results in all conditions. What about privacy? Tesla promises no tracking, no spying, and no data collection. Unlike Apple and Google, which have faced criticism for scanning user photos and tracking behavior, Tesla stores all biometric data locally on the device. That means your face scans, fingerprints, and private info never leave your phone. If you value freedom, privacy, and performance, the Tesla Pi phone is in a league of its own. 5. Could this replace the iPhone? iPhones have become known for their short lifespan, typically lasting just 2 to 3 years before battery issues, performance throttling, or software limitations push users into upgrades. Tesla is aiming for 5 to 7 years of performance with the Pi phone, thanks to its durable construction, optimized OS, and user-controlled updates. Instead of locking users into expensive accessories and charging cables, the Pi phone supports any third-party gear. And it starts at just $237, compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max's $1,199. That's a 5-fold difference in price, with zero compromise on innovation. You still get flagship-level tech, Starlink connectivity, AI cameras, solar charging, unmatched battery life, and rugged durability. Apple either charges extra for these features or doesn't offer them at all. The Tesla Pi phone isn't just a challenger to Apple, it's a complete rethinking of what a smartphone should be. One that puts you, the user, first. Outro, a new era. The Tesla Pi phone might just be the smartphone we've all been waiting for. With its aerospace materials, lightning-fast charging, built-in solar panels, and global Starlink internet, it finally challenges Apple's dominance at a fraction of the price. If you've made it this far into the video, you're clearly as excited as we are. So go ahead, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and stay tuned here on Core Tech for more updates on Tesla's revolutionary tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.